Yeah, the car is heavy, it's not that quick. Let me just demonstrate you that. Race start. That's it. I can't decide whether to go for the red interior color or for the purple pinkish one or for the blue one. This is just so crazy. Whatever I am trying to search, it makes life easier. This is so cool and very advanced. Hey Mercedes, please tell me a joke.
Why should you never eat a clock? It's too time consuming.
Oh no, that's so bad. So hello guys, I am back today welcoming you inside the all new EQS SUV, the 2023 model, and we will be starting a drive right in the city center of Denver. So let's get it on. I just wanted to share this beautiful moment with you as the ambient color is just absolutely perfect inside right now. I wanted to give you a pre-night drive video, an evening drive video, because yeah, the inside, the ambient colors right now is just so beautiful, guys. I love it. Therefore, I hope you enjoy it. We are driving right now in Denver with the new EQS SUV, the 580 version. There's also an EQS 450 version coming, and this one is the all-wheel drive option with 400 kilowatt. It's about 544 horsepower something. And yeah, the car is heavy, it's not that quick. Let me just demonstrate you that by doing a race start. That's it. You also have a nice sound when accelerating and when braking. Listen, you hear that? It's a nice sound profile which you can choose from, which I really like. So all in all, guys, we are driving here, and yet again I have to ask you a simple question, which I always do, talking about the ambient colors. I can't decide whether to go for the red interior color or for the purple pinkish one or for the blue one. Which one would you take, guys? My all-time favorite is and stays the blue. So guys, in the inside of the EQS SUV, we have no noises from the outside. Even though we are in the city center right now, it's absolutely quiet. The only thing you can hear is the fan of my seat, because I have the cooled and ventilated seats, which I just set on. And that's the only thing I can hear right now. Even if I, look, stop that, you have no sound. And also if I stop the AC in total, also no sound at all. You hear that? You literally hear nothing. This is just so crazy. We also have double glass windows here, plus we have a lot of noise cancellation in the inside, which is also very cool in the EQS SUV here. Wow, just look at the interior. Enjoy today's night drive, guys. Cool thing is, it's super comfortable in the inside, and you can also set and start a massage here. It's for both the driver and the co-driver, and I love the wave massage here. And you can also set it on for your co-driver. This is all you need. Am I right? Beautiful old S-Class. We also have the head-up display here. I'm not sure if you can properly see it. My destination is right over here, but I just want to continue the drive. In the city center of Denver, in Denver downtown right now. At this point, also special thanks to Mercedes Benz for flying us out here, to letting us test the newest Mercedes Benz EQ family member. And guys, there's something I have to mention, and I've mentioned it multiple times. The EQS is not coming as an AMG. It's only coming as a Maybach. So that's something that you all have to know. There's not going to be EQS 53 SUV coming as we have with the limousine. The only thing that we will be seeing is the EQS Maybach. Maybe they will call it EQS 600 Maybach. Let's see. Not sure about that, but that thing will be pretty beautiful. We have already seen the concept and I love it. And this thing right here is so comfortable. The drive inside, due to the seating position of the height, due to the comfortable suspension, we have the smooth ride also with the rear axle steering, and I think the Maybach will be beating that. and I can't wait to experience that. But with the EQE, we will be having an AMG version coming, so stay tuned for that. The EQE is also coming soon. They will be presenting that car in the Paris Motor Show around end of October. Guys, can't wait to show you that. Guys, do you think Mercedes should have done something different with the interior so it doesn't look exactly the same as the limousine version? Because the EQS, the normal base EQS, is from the interior wise the exact same car. Also a cool thing here, as soon as I reach over there, we have a light. There's a sensor over here, and then you have the LED shining, so whatever I am trying to search, it makes life easier. This is so cool and very advanced. So all in all, guys, how did you like today's video? I hope you enjoyed the EQS SUV. I really love it, and as a final resume, I have to say, even though the car is extremely large, due to the rear-axle steering, the drive is so smooth, it's so easy and extremely comfortable. I have to mention it multiple times, but it is. And I really love it. The only thing that I don't like is like two things. The first thing is that the base interior of the EQS exactly the same. So I would have loved to see something special for the SUV version. And the second thing I don't like is the plastic airbag cover which we have here. I wish instead of that we have a leather or Alcantara airbag cover. I wish it would be optional from factory, and I know a lot of customers and drivers will appreciate that. So Mercedes, please let us see that. All in all, love to share today's moment and drive with you. I'm really looking forward to see you all again, and let's finish it off with Mercedes Benz. Hey Mercedes!
How can I help?
Please tell me a joke.
Why should you never eat a clock? It's too time consuming.
Oh no, that's so bad. Guys, how do you like this joke? I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.